Hey everybody, Mr. M. Time for math. We're going to be working on patterns today, just like we did last week. A little different though. I'm going to have a different task for you today. Now instead of working with shapes, like we've been doing on the screen, we're going to work with the gems, like you did in the task on Friday. Because we're going to have a similar assignment after this. So we're going to have 3 sets of gems, and your job, right here, 3 sets of gems. 2 of them have the same pattern. Is it going to be this 2, or this 2? Let's take a look. They have different different colors, but 2 of these colors are in the same pattern. Alright, so I'm about to tell you, so if you haven't figured it out yet, you can hit pause and think about it a little longer. Go ahead. Alright, either you didn't hit pause, or you just unpaused it, because I'm going to tell you now. It is these 2. What do we see? Well, the first one has blue, green, green, blue, green, green, blue, green, green. And the other matching one has yellow, red, red, yellow, red, red, yellow, red, red. What about this one? It's got cyan, purple, purple. What's the pattern that we have in the ones that match? We have the first one, which we'll call 1. Then we have a second color, which we'll call 2. And then the second color again. 1, 2, 2. Then we have the first color again. And then it's 1, and the second color again, and the second color again. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. That's the pattern of these 2. 1, 2, 2. And that's it. When I say what is the pattern, that's the pattern. It's not 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. It's just 1, 2, 2. That's the pattern over and over. But this last one, it has a 1, 2, 2, doesn't it? It has the first color, the second color, the second color. 1, 2, 2. And then again, 1. Wait a minute. What happens next? What should we say if with the same pattern be 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2? It would be cyan, purple, purple, cyan, purple, purple. But instead we have what? Cyan, purple, purple, cyan, cyan. Purple, purple. Huh. So what's the pattern here? There's a pattern. Something repeats. What is the pattern? Is it just 1? It's not 1 because there's a 2 after it, so that doesn't duplicate. 1, 2. Is it 1, 2? Because the next one then would be 1 again. It would be 1, 2, 1, 2. It's not. It's 1, 2, 2. Same as the odds above. 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. I think we found it. So how many are there in the pattern? The first ones have 3, and this one has, the bottom one has, well, now the bottom one has 4 in the pattern. Well, if one has 3 and one has 4, that's not a match, right? So we figured out, how did we figure out the pattern? We looked until we found the part that repeats. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. You're going to have an assignment, much like you had Friday. You're going to go into the Google Slides, and you're going to have different pages, and each one will have a pattern on it, and your job is to put together the gems at the bottom to see to figure out what the pattern is. How does it repeat? Let's do the first one together. Okay. All right, so we have red, orange, yellow, yellow, red, orange, yellow, yellow, red, orange, yellow, yellow. So first off, how many different colors are there? It's red, orange, and yellow. Okay. All right, 3 different colors. What's the pattern? Okay, if we call first one is red. So the second one is orange. The third one is yellow. And the fourth one is yellow. So what's that? And does it start again? Red, orange, yellow. Let's see. Oh. Look what we can do here. If we put it underneath, it matches, and then we move it over to the next 4, and that also matches, and the next that also matches. So what do we have here? Is that, and so it's these four. Can we cut that any smaller? No, we can't. That's it. Let's do one more together. Okay, this one is purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue. What repeats in here? Well, we've only got purple and blue to choose from, so purple, blue, purple, and blue. Well, does that match? That matches. Let's see if it matches the next four. That matches the next four. That matches the next four. So purple, blue, is that our pattern? 1, 2, 1, 2? It's not. Because even though that matches, that's not the pattern. Why? Can we make it any smaller and still have it match? Well, let's try this. What if we try cutting it in half? Purple, blue. Does this match this? Oh. So this actually has two parts in it that are the same. If they're the same, then they match, right? That means, well, so can we do it with just the first half? Purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue, purple. I think we got it. Yep. So the pattern is the part that repeats, but it's also the smallest part that repeats. Don't join two parts of the pattern together and think they're the same. They're not. Alright? Okay. Get going, guys. You know what to do. Go to the different pages and solve them all. Find the pattern of each one. You can do this. Bye-bye.